up, y'all? So I got some items from Shein and I figured I'll just do a little haul. So first of all, the first thing is my phone case. Like, look how cute this is. You can kind of see that it's like ink. But I still like it. I think it's cute. I think it's really, really cute. So I'm just gonna show you the nail stuff first. I'm gonna kind of go in order. These are zodiac sign charms that I thought was really cute. I'm a Capricorn. My birthday is next month, so I figured this would be really, really cute. As you can see, it says Capricorn right there. Let me know in the comments below, what is your zodiac sign? I would love to know. I also got this, which I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna use it, but it's like nail foil, I think. I'll do my nails right now. That's why my nails are horrible. I might do this. I might use it right now. I don't know. I love getting things from Shein because the nail items are much cheaper than Amazon, to be honest. Even though you have to order quite a few of them, but they're cheaper. I also got some nail stickers. Thought these were really, really cute. I love the colors and the faces on them. I do have a video where I tried to make one of these faces. I'll leave that in the cards above, but I thought this was really cute and sleek. It does come with only one, I think. Yeah, only one sticker, and I believe it was $1. And I have some nail stickers. I think the video is already out of me doing a nail design with these stickers, but they glow in the dark as well. So I thought they were super cute that there's snowflakes and Merry Christmas on this one. This came in a 2-pack. And then like reindeers and stuff like that on this one. I have some more holiday stickers, even though I don't like red or green. I thought these were cute and festive. And again, it only comes with one. Okay, so I picked up these as well. I figured I could encapsulate with these. I think they're plastic. Okay, I thought they were glass. Okay. Kind of like giving seashell vibes. So there's a couple different colors in here. You can see. They're really, really pretty. Just to encapsulate with. I also picked up some more things to encapsulate with. Thought these were really pretty. This one would have been super cute with the video I just put out with the cracked ice. Would have been cute because this kind of looks like snow. Ooh, this is giving me fall vibes. This is super pretty. It feels like paper, to be honest. Which is good. It won't be super heavy in the nail. I also picked up some more striping brushes. I have a set from Amazon. I think it's like from Beetles, but I saw these and I think it was like $1. And I wanted to just try these ones and see how they were. I also picked up some nail foil. I just thought this design was really cute. Let me see how long this is. Okay, so you get a pretty good amount of foil. Okay. Some more things to encapsulate with. I've been in love with encapsulating things lately. These actually feel kind of like glass. Kind of. And like I said, my birthday month is next month, January, so I picked up some crowns. I just thought that would be really cute for my nail set. And some more items to encapsulate with. I know this looks similar to the other one, but they're different. They have like a more powdery look to it. I'm not gonna open it, but you could kind of see. And then I also picked up the nail French thing applicator, where you could do different like French designs. Just because my line work for that is horrible. And especially like using this one will definitely come in handy. So I gotta see how to use it. And it comes with 5 different shapes. I also picked up this little bag. I'll put the price on the screen because I don't remember. Just for my camera equipment, actually. Because I could put extra batteries in here. And put the actual, obviously, camera and all the things included in this bag. So when I'm out vlogging, it's not just like in my regular bag. It has its own little pouch to go in. So I thought this was super cute. Alright, so I'm going to try on a few of the items that I got from Shein. Some of them I can't try on, so I'm just going to show them to you because you'll see why in a second. But one of the first things that I got is this cute little, what is this called? Plaid. It's not thermal. I suck at describing things. And I got this oversized. I got this in a 1X. This is from the Curve collection. Just because I wanted it really big. And I thought it was just really cute. This two-tone type of situation. Oh yeah, I like it. You can wear it like this. I know some people have been like wearing it off the shoulder or something like that. But I have big boobs. Anybody doing all that. So I think this is cute. Covers the booty. I like it. I do wish the arms were a little bit longer. It's just like, okay. So I might have to just like roll them up. But other than that, it's cute. Next is this newspaper print type of shirt. I think this is really, really cute. I got this in the size 1X again from the Curve collection. This should have been more for fall. It's a very thin fabric. In the picture, she had it like this with some high-waisted jeans. So I might bust it out like that. This is cute. Okay. So I wore this oversized sweater in one of my vlogs already. I don't know if it's up because child, I don't know. But it just says wife life. And obviously it's a wife. So I just thought it was really cute, oversized. I wore some Uggs and my Louis Vuitton bag and just called it a design. I thought it was cute, so I love this. Let me see. That's how I take off my sweaters. I got this in the size 2X. Just to make it a lot bigger and oversized. So I wanted more robes, so I ended up getting this newspaper print. As y'all could probably tell, I love newspaper print. Like, I love to write. I used to be a writer, I should say. If you know my whole name, you Google it, there's some things that will come up. But this robe, I got it in 2X. I wanted it really big. I thought it would be super comfy. Again, the arms on these things don't compensate. It is super long. It goes past my knees to my shin. The only thing is that it doesn't come with a string, but I mean, I could probably take one from one of my other robes, but it was on sale. I thought it was cute just to lounge in. You might see these and, you know, see this in one of my videos or something. But so this is another robe that I got, but it doesn't look like a typical robe. So you're not supposed to wear this with any clothes if you get my drift, but you could just get the idea of, you know, a little peekaboo session right here, little peekaboo, and then your boobs are covered, a little peekaboo. Thought it was really cute. Not it looking like a maid outfit right now. No, I think it's cute. I might bust this out today. I'll let y'all know, please. But no, I like it though. I also got a sweater dress, which now I'm like, is it really a dress? I guess, I don't think this is a dress. Look at where it hits me. Like, it's a V really with my, you know? I don't know if I can actually make this work as a dress. I'd have to see. Do I have it on backwards? No, I don't. But other than that, it's cute. It's definitely very low in the cleavage area. So that's something to note. The arms are okay. They're almost a little short, but it's okay. We'll see. I might wear this soon. Whew, child, it's hot. I also got this scarf just to see what the scars are hitting for, and I thought this was really cute. It kind of looks like Fenty, but we all know it's not. But you know, I like it. Oof, I really like it actually. Feels good. And I washed all of these, by the way. I hope I said that already, because y'all probably like, well, girl, COVID. Yes, I washed all of these already. So let me put back on my robe and show y'all the things I can't show y'all. So I was not going to put this on, but I thought this was cute. It's a little romper situation. It's satin, and it kind of extenuates your waist right here. So I thought this was really, really cute. Also got like a two-piece pajamas. Again, not putting this on, but got this in the size 1X just because sometimes I want something a little flowy, and it has the matching top. This feels very soft, and actually the quality feels really nice. So I got another little jumper situation. I think this one's, I wanted it to be a little tighter, and I got smaller, I think. Oh yeah, this is just an extra large, not a 1X. This is what this looks like. Again, the quality feels really good, very soft. I didn't get these for the fact that they were Christmas colors because I don't like red and green. However, I got some underwear, like the peekaboo type of underwear. This is the front. That's the front. And then the back, a little peekaboo situation. Peekaboo. enough said. This little thing, which I got in like a 2X because I have bigger boobs. Now, of all the items that I got, this feels the cheapest in quality. Like I can kind of tell like the print is like off. It looks maybe good on camera, but I can tell, I'm just like, this is from Shein, you know? But I mean, it does the job. It's really cute. And I just wanted to see what their stuff was like in that department. I also wanted a little bit of a knitted type of outfit. This was on sale. And I love the color. I don't think I have anything that color. And the top is like a crop top. So y'all know I was not about to try that on camera. So another type of crop top situation. So I got the pants knitted, but I just thought it was very cute and comfy for the house with some high socks or something. I like that. I suppose I could have tried this on, but this is a romper, like a cotton roll-ish material. I got this oversized because I just sometimes want to just lounge, right? So I got this, I think, in like 2X. It's really, really big though. I don't know where I was going with that. And I think it cinches in. Yeah, it does. Accentuate your waist, girl. So yeah, got that. Okay, so I think that's all the items that I got from Shein. I've been loving Shein lately, so I mean, if you want to see more of these hauls, let me know in the comments below. But if you like this video, hit the actual like button. That's the only way I will know that you enjoyed it. And subscribe if you are new to my channel and haven't been part of this family. And I will most certainly catch you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye, guys.